In this video, we will talk about the Airfob Space Mobile app. Airfob Space Mobile app is the user-facing interface of the Airfob system. The primary role of the Airfob Space Mobile app is to act as a wallet for mobile credentials. So when an admin issue a mobile card to a user, that's how they will receive it and that's how they will store it. If we go over the interface really quickly, we can see the different mobile cards that are aligned in the screen and you can navigate through them all by swiping right or left. Or you can also tap the bottom banner to bring all your cards at once. The main feature of this mobile card is to access your site by tapping your mobile phone to the reader at the door. To make sure that all this works well, you have to enable Bluetooth in the application. To do so, tap on the top right burger menu and you will see different connection methods. The first one and the main one will be to use Bluetooth to enable the app to communicate with the reader. When you click Bluetooth, make sure that your phone settings are appropriate to handle this. You can choose in the Bluetooth option to only authenticate while the app is on the screen, just like right now, or you can also select the background mode that will enable you to open and use the reader without having the app up on your phone. For Android devices, you can also enable NFC as another authentication method. And if your site allows it, you can also use the entry method that enables you to keep your phone in your pocket while working next to the reader. Let's now go over the two-factor authentication feature. When clicking on the two-factor authentication button, you will be prompted to use a connection method only while app is on screen. Press OK and select this. This prevents you from using the background mode. Click again on two-factor authentication and you will have the choice between disabling it or using a PIN code or a pattern. Just like on your regular phone, if you select the PIN code, you will be asked to register a PIN, whatever you like, and then confirm and press done, and it's been successfully activated, which means that each time you want to access your site or use your mobile card, you will be prompted to enter your PIN code. This is the same with the pattern. If you click on pattern, you will be prompted to register a pattern of your liking, for example, like M, and then confirm it again. It's been successfully activated, as we can see. Press OK, and you go back to the main menu. As an additional security feature, you can also enable biometric authentication to recognize your print or your face. Now let's go back to the main menu. In the hamburger menu I showed you before, you can also access your access log. This is very handy for time and attendance and if you want to check when you first enter the building. Select the site, select the date and the time, and press search. And you will see a list of access log that were made at the site, either success or failed. Now let's go back to the main menu. You will have the option, which is a cosmetic option, to select a theme between dark and light. So it's really about your preference or maybe for accessibility purpose for certain type of user. If you press the more option, you will be greeted with more advanced options such as advanced settings, which enable you to choose between a global server or the EU server, depending on where you're located. You can also click on Support Center, where you can search for answers to your problem or directly contact us for support. You can check other aspects such as details, license, term and condition, or any other legal document that you might want to check. Going back to the main interface, which is now on night mode, As you can see below the card, we have three different options. The one on the left is TNA. The one in the middle is either contact admin or access log for the specific site. And the one on the right is the QR code. The one, except the one in the middle, both TNA and QR code will be only available if they are enabled through the Airfob Pro portal. Let's now go into each one of them. The first one is time and attendance. What you can do is record your shift using the app, so what we call mobile TNA. If you want to start your shift, press start shift and then badge on the reader. Similarly, if you want to start a break, end the break, and end the shift, you can do the same. And this will appear in the system. Second icon that we see in the middle is to access specific access slot for this site. So it's a shortcut from the option that we've seen before, or contact admin. This contact admin will be specific to the card that you have in front of you, and it will reach out to the admin of this specific site. Let's not do that. The third option is our new QR feature. By pressing this option, you will be presented with a QR that refreshes every 30 seconds. And if you present it to a reader connected to a QR reader, it will authenticate you using this QR code. This is enabled in the Airfob Pro portal, so ask your admin for that. Below the QR code, you have a few advice for you to follow if you have any trouble accessing the site. And as a secret feature that few people know, if you long press on your card, you will have the ability to open a specific door remotely that has been designed within the system in the Airfob Pro portal by your admin. So for example, if you have a visitor coming to your door and they're contacting you, just long press the card and it will open that specific door.